A student asked his teacher, "What is greed?" The teacher said, "In order to answer your question, go through the chocolate factory next to our school and pick the one chocolate you like the most. But there is a rule. As you pass through the factory, you cannot turn back. You must pick the chocolate as you go forward, only." The student went to the chocolate factory. As he walked through, he saw the one chocolate wrapped nicely. He instantly liked it, but he wondered that he may find much bigger one further. So he walked further. Then he saw another chocolate, but again he thought the same. When he started to reach near the end of the factory, he couldn't see any chocolates as big as the one he didn't pick earlier and started to regret his decision of letting it go. Finally, he gave up. He went back to the teacher with an empty hand and gave an explanation of what he did. The teacher told him, "You did like the first chocolate very much, but still you kept looking for a bigger one.